Hello wonderful person, this is Anton, and today we're taking a look at Heat Signature. This very cool roguelike space game actually blew me away, and I really wanted to take a look at it because it's just impossible to describe it in words. Anyway, so here we go, and welcome to What I'm At. So first of all, this is a roguelike, meaning that a lot of things are procedurally generated, including the galaxy or the characters. And when you just start the game, you actually have 4 people to choose between. I kind of already chose someone, but I can totally go ahead and change someone else. And the reason I'm not showing you the gameplay later on is because I actually just killed my old character. Completely by mistake, completely through my own stupidity, and this is how awesome this game is. You can actually make a very simple mistake even after being super awesome and then kill your character. In short, my character ended up accidentally opening a space pod and being released into space and then suffocated very slowly through losing all of the oxygen over time. Anyway, so there's 4 randomly generated people here. All of them have a personal mission that you see right here in top right. This guy here wants to rescue his idiot dad. This person here wants to arrest an officer who tortured his dad. This person here wants to avenge his mom. And this person here wants to rescue his idiot mom. So basically for a lot of them, it's a kind of a personal agenda. We're just going to go for this person right here. It doesn't really matter who you choose. They do all have a slightly different look, but other than that, they're all kind of similar. The personal mission is something that you're doing throughout the game and you get to kind of advance the story a little bit. But for the most part, you'll be completing a variety of randomly generated quests, and a lot of them are super fun, and what makes them really fun is the amount of various really unique items you get to use in this game. Now in the beginning you don't really get much. I believe you get okay, so in this case I get a wrench, and I don't know if I'm okay with it. I want to start over. I want to see if I can get a sword, because that's actually my favorite weapon so far. So this guy has a short blade. Does anyone have a long blade? I actually had to restart the galaxy, and here we go. There's a long blade person right there. These are super fun to use. I've been using them for most of the game, and they're actually kind of cool. And you'll notice that all of the characters have different items. So this person here has a stealth shield, meaning that they can be invisible for a while. This person has a kind of a visor that allows you to see longer. There is something called range sidewinder. I'm not sure what that is, but this here is what I want. I want the rechargeable swapper. This is a unique teleportation device. And this game is actually a lot about teleportation. There's teleporting within the ships, teleporting away from enemies, and it makes it really dynamic. We can also actually buy some gadgets here, but I'm just gonna go and jump in and show you what and how this game actually works. So this is basically our first mission. We're going to go select something from here. These are also procedurally generated, and this is kind of the procedurally generated galaxy you're playing in. We have an easy mission, we have a hard mission, or a very hard mission. This here, Assassinate Mission, is actually kind of fun, so we're gonna do this. This here is stealing something, and usually these are items that will have some kind of a special power. And sometimes you could actually use them in the mission to help yourself, to escape, or to kill someone, or to get rid of something. So these are kind of fun. But let's do the Assassination Mission first, and then we're going to do the hijacking. This is hijacking the ship. So we're going to accept this mission, and it's going to send us right there. So what we need to do now is use our pod, and this kind of throws you into space. And everything here is essentially, it's Newtonian physics. It's kind of realistic. So you have to fly in that direction and meet your target and dock to their ship. You can kind of zoom out just to see where you're going. You can kind of plan out your action if there's more than one ship in the area, and maybe you have to actually be very quiet and sneak in very quietly. In this case, it's a direct approach. We're going for a direct assassination, but it's not as simple as it sounds. So here we need to be very careful. We're going to approach the ship without bumping into it, because you can totally destroy everything and fail the mission if you smack into this full speed. And we're going to dock with this vessel, and there's a docking port right there on the other side of the ship. So here we go. Approach it very slowly. Almost there. bumped a few times, but that's okay. So now we're inside the ship. Now this is called heat signature because you can actually see your enemies. Their heat signatures, as you can see right there, are very apparent. So this allows you to plan out your mission pretty thoroughly. And as you advance through missions, they will become more and more difficult. Now in this one, what makes it difficult is that all of the enemies, or a lot of the enemies, are in kind of in the same room essentially. So you may have to lure them out, or you may have to just avoid them altogether. We have a sword and we have a teleportation device. I'm going to show you both. But our goal right now is to try to very slowly and procedurally walk through the ship, eliminate as many enemies as we can, and get out alive. Now, I'm going to do the slow way first, and I'm going to show you the fast way afterwards. So this game gets really hectic, really fast. Okay, this I just found the key here, unlocks all level 1 doors. So I don't even have to go here anymore. I don't have to deal with these guys, but I will nevertheless. So one of them is coming here, and boom! Ninja. We can actually take his body and hide it somewhere now, just so that nobody else sees him. Kind of like in Hitman games. Oh, I've been witnessed. I didn't even know there was a person here. Okay, they may have detected me. Yeah, they're coming here. I have to hide. Okay, here we go. And that totally, oh my god, they captured me. Okay, I need to, oh, they threw me out of the ship. This is how I died last time. That didn't go well for us. All right, so looks like this is the game over. You can kind of see how hectic it gets. Mission failed. Yeah, that's fine. So because I'm in space now, I'm bleeding, and there's no spacecraft near me, I am probably going to end here. This is how my last mission ended too. Even though I played for like 3 hours straight, and I advanced pretty far out, I ended up accidentally opening the padlock and being thrown out into space. Well, that's cool. Tonight we drink for him. He was, he bled to death in space. Oh, I didn't even suffocate. We bled to death. That's okay. All right, so that was the first attempt, and you can kind of see how super fast and hectic it gets, and it's actually really fun. Like, you do want to jump back in and try this again. And every time you'll have these different weapons to play with, you'll have different missions. I didn't get to show you a teleportation device though, so maybe I'll just actually recreate someone that has a similar loadout, and I think this person here does. High capacity swapper and a long blade. This is a little bit different. It actually has a 5-step teleportation device that allows you to literally walk through the whole ship, and we'll do this right now actually. What I'm gonna do is let's pick another mission. Let's do another assassination. Or no, let's do a capture first, because these are essentially what you start with. They give you just enough payout, and they also provide an item that you can possibly use. And we're gonna start with this. We're gonna do a capture mission first, and this time I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be successful because I'm not gonna be stupid, right? And look at that, the galaxy is actually completely different. Oh, and by the way, there's also other random ships you can dock to. There's one right there, as a matter of fact, and you can totally just go in and steal stuff from them. You can cause havoc and even steal the ships and bring them back to the base. And this is what I'm going to be doing here. I'm actually going to steal this ship and bring it back to the base as soon as the mission is complete. So let's slowly approach this. Oh, look, this is actually a lot smaller than before. And analyze the situation. Okay, there's two people and a pilot. That's nothing. Let's do this the cool way. We're gonna use a teleportation device. We're gonna jump in here, and ready, steady, and go. Go. Oh no, this is not how it works. Oh, I thought this was a teleportation device. I guess it's not. Oh, it's a swapper. Never mind. Sorry. This is even cooler. This allows you to swap places with a person. So watch how this works. No. I failed again. How did I fail? Objective is dead. I was supposed to capture this person. No, I thought it was an item, and I accidentally killed him. Oh well. So anyway, I swapped places with this guy. He's there now. I'm just gonna steal the ship then. Yeah, let's just steal the ship. I did not read the instructions very carefully. But anyway, so this item I just used allows you to swap places with someone and then just jump in and cause some havoc and destruction and run away. It's actually really awesome. All right, let's steal their items at least. We failed the mission, so we lose the money, but we can possibly get some items here that will actually cost even more. And this is kind of what makes this game a little bit more engaging, is that there is also randomly generated loot here. You can always find a lot of stuff, And okay, these guys have wrenches. They don't really cost anything, unfortunately. So the wrench is kind of useless to me. But we'll at least get their ship. So we can now take out this guy from the seat. This is actually the ship controls. And fly the ship. You can either do it manually or you can just do autopilot by pressing F. And this will take you back to your base. And this will be the end of this first mission that unfortunately I failed yet again because I didn't read the instructions. For some reason I thought it was an item. I guess it wasn't. And here we go. It's docking inside and mission complete. Well, we can now actually go and explore if we can maybe buy some new items. We found a grenade, we found a rechargeable long-range visitor, which is a teleporter of a type, and we still have our swapper. So swapper is actually a kind of a cool item, but it does require some strategizing. You have to be really careful at how you use it. So I totally did not use it correctly. There's also other gadgets here for sale all the time, so you can go ahead and buy those. Or you can sell the stuff you just found, and you can see that I can sell this item for 11 units or $11, whatever they're called, 11 credits. Now let's actually go ahead and do the hardest mission, and it's the mission right here, Steal the Fury Experiment. This sounds really cool. So for this mission, it's actually quite challenging. What you have to do is you have about 107 seconds to board the ship and to try to steal the experiment or kill the captain to essentially reset the time. Or I guess get rid of the time. So we're going to try that. We're going to actually go ahead and try to destroy the captain. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We'll try our best. Okay, ready, steady, and go. Go, 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 go. Don't waste your time. Jump in. And let's fly to our location. We're going to try to do this as fast as possible. And I think this is actually why I like this game. It does create this completely new way of playing rogue games. The missions are all very different, they're all very unique, and they all require a completely different approach. There's no like one way of solving most of these. As a matter of fact, there's usually at least several ways that you can finish the level. In this case, my goal, or I guess my mission right now, is to try to eliminate the captain so I can reset the timer. Alright, so we have... Oh, Jesus, there's a lot of guards. So I'm gonna go ninja on them. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna do the following. He saw me, and he's dead. Okay, these guys are dead too. Now we're gonna get rid of this guy with the key. And where's the captain? I have to find the captain. Can avoid this area for now. We have 44 seconds. It's not enough time, unfortunately, to fool around too much. Let's swap places with this guy. Eliminate this dude. And there's the captain. We got the captain. I think that time... Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! They're gonna throw me away again! No! Let me go! Let me go! Let me out! They're gonna throw me out of the window, aren't they? Well, I tried my best. I tried my best. But that was fun nevertheless. Anyway, the cool thing about this game is that you don't really feel bad if you're losing because, you know, it's kind of cool. It does feel really awesome. Yeah, captured by the glitchers. So they captured us, so he's gone forever. And because it's a roguelite, you can totally replay these over and over again. I guess with a new character, but the point is to try to finish their personal quest. And it doesn't take long to finish. I think I was able to finish one of them in less than 2 hours once. And that was my only time I was able to finish the personal quest. But it does kind of create this replayability to this game. So it's probably one of the best casual space games I've played in a long while. So give his signature a try. It's actually really fun. It's really cheap, and it's from a really well-known indie game publisher. So, or I guess developer in this case. So do give it a try. If you've enjoyed this game, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with someone who enjoys playing space games and who wants to learn more about space, sciences, and other awesome stuff about our universe from this channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to come back and learn something else, and space out, and as always, bye-bye. Let's actually pick someone completely different. Someone who we haven't used before. This guy has a quiet gun. And let's try yet another quest. Let's go and rescue this person.